Welcome to Duo Kids. This is Rama. We are going to see about 5 sense organs. The 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. We see with our eyes, we smell with our nose, we hear with our ear, we touch with our skin, we taste with our tongue.
Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Today I am going to ask questions to Rama. Rama, I have to tell which sense organ we use here. The first question is birds chirping.
Ears.
Right. The second one is the biryani is spicy.
Tongue.
Right. The third one is I jump on the bed.
Skin.
Right. The fourth one is the audience are clapping. Ants.
Ears.
Right. This perfume has good fragrance.
Nose.
Right. This rainbow is colorful.
Eyes.
Right. The wood is hard.
Skin.
Right. The gas is leaking.
Smell. Nose.
Right. Okay. The tree has yellow flower.
Eyes.
Right. And orange is tangy.
Tongue.
Right. And the last question, the moon is bright.
Eyes.
Right. Rama answered all questions correctly. Well done, Rama.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.